Hey guys, welcome. I'm Flutter Sensei, and in this class, you're going to learn the fundamentals of state management by building a Counter Pro Plus app. The best part, we're going to use agentic AI as our personal coding assistant to help us write better, cleaner code from the very start. You'll learn how to set up a new project, understand the difference between stateless and stateful widgets, and design a beautiful modern UI using Material 3 design system. You'll learn how to add dynamic text and create elevated buttons, and with the help of state management, we will add increment, decrement, and reset functionality. Then we will use AI to refine our code and find bugs and fix them one by one. Now, before we dive in, make sure you have Flutter installed and VS Code set up on your machine. We'll also be using ChatGPT Codex extension to help us with our AI bug hunting. This class is perfect for beginners who are just getting started with Flutter. We're going to keep things fun, simple, and beginner friendly. Once our app is built, we'll put our AI to work to scan for bugs and performance issues. No complicated jargon, just clean, efficient code. For your class project, you'll be building your own version of the Counter Pro Plus app using the main.py file we developed together. You will need to build the logic, set up increment, decrement, and reset functions, then use AI to find bugs and performance issues. Once done, post a screenshot or a screen recording of your app in the project gallery. I can't wait to see what you've built. And if you're excited to see how AI is changing the way we build apps, make sure to hit that follow button on my profile so you don't miss the next app in our series. Let's get started.